Here's my Rockville sub, cabled by myself in my 2025 Corolla Hatchback. This thing's kind of loose, but I have like a $20 kicker LOC and like some T-taps. This next song I'm about to play is like a really good test actually, because the sub is really low in this song, maybe like 30 hertz, 25, I don't know. I'm gonna turn this to like halfway. I hope the iPhone microphone picks this up. It sounds really good though. It sounds really good. I would recommend it. I cabled it myself. I kind of did like a shitty job, but I somehow did it still. All right, thanks.